bitch don't know me. I pull up by my cake. Where I'm from is not safe. I got bitch, I'm a late. Scoop them grits on the plate.
Hi guys, what's up? It is Kamaria here. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. I've recently been shopping. Not like big shopping, like little shopping, but like spending a bunch of monies. This is just a small haul. This is mostly just makeup and hair stuff basically. So first place I went was Ulta, of course. And from Ulta, I got the Morphe highlight and contour sponge because I've been wanting this, and like it's like open. I should have probably chose a different one, but y'all, the store was so packed. I was just trying to be in and out of there, and I've heard good things about this, so I'm excited to use it. Next, I got some Morphe brushes. I got the Morphe M562. Not really sure what this brush does. I got the Morphe M562. I got the Morphe M506. And then I got the Morphe M514. And then I just got some lash glue because, okay, so listen up. The lady up in there said that they were out of NYX glitter primer, right? So she just told me to get some regular eyelash glue. And so I got some regular eyelash glue. I already had eyelash glue, so like I don't know why I bought this. You know, I just like to spend money, obviously. I don't know, what was I thinking? Like I could have got a black one. Then I got the NYX. Okay, I thought this was so pretty, y'all. In the store, it is so pretty. Like I love this color, and
I love that it's like shiny basically.
This is the NYX Lingerie Shimmer. I don't know how to pronounce that. Should I Google how to pronounce it? I don't know. Then I got some Anastasia dipbrow in the shade Ebony, and I've already used this. I just wanted to include it with the haul. I've been hearing so many things about the Anastasia dipbrow, so of course I had to try it out myself. I'm pretty sure I got the wrong brush for this. I don't know what brush to really use for this. I'm not really good at eyebrows anyway. I thought it was gonna be like really tiny. It's actually a pretty big, decent amount of pomade in here, so I think it's worth the money for $18, but I'm pretty sure you can get the same one for cheaper. A dupe, is that what it's called? Yeah, it's the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop.
I've heard things about this.
I might go back to get another one because this one might be a little too dark. It swatched it on my hand, and I don't know. I think I might need to go a shade or two lighter, but I think one day I might use this, so I got it anyways. I also got this NYX Face and Body Glitter. Y'all, when I was looking at these on the website, I thought they were gonna be like so much bigger than this, but they just looked like this. I got this, I don't even think this is a silver one, because when I looked in the Target today, it did not look like this one when I looked at the silver one. Lastly, from Ulta, I got this L'Oreal Skin Expert Paris Detox and Brightening Pure Clay Mask. I'm really excited to use it. I think it's going to do me some wonders because I'm gonna be all about my skincare next year, and plus I'm gonna be doing makeup again, so I want to make sure my skin's right, and you know, yeah. Next store we have is CVS. I don't have the bag for CVS, not low-key but high-key. CVS is like really expensive. I got the OGX like Hydrate and Repair Argan Oil of Morocco Extra Strength Hydrate and Repair shampoo and conditioner because I just been wanting to try shampoo and conditioner that will keep my hair moist because it has been dry and brittle, and this is supposed to help with dryness and brittleness. And I used it just now today when I washed my hair. Right before I started this video, I just washed my hair and showered and stuff. But I also got this OGX Argan Oil Renewing Weightless Healing Dry Oil, and I just sprayed that in my hair also. The last place I went was Target, and from Target I just got two things, and that was this NYX Glitter Brilliant, and I got the gold one this time because I feel like gold I can use like year-round, you know, like gold is just like a statement. And then the last thing I got was the NYX Glitter Primer Base thing, and like I also thought this was gonna be big, but it's tiny too. That is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to see more hauls from me, keep on watching my videos. See you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have not checked out my last video, make sure to go check it out. It'll be linked in my description. My Instagram and Snapchat are also linked in my description. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. Alrighty guys, peace out.